Hi everyone, Chris Anderson, Mount Comfort RV. Well, we're moving on to Canyon Star to show you what is new for Canyon Star for 2023 on the Newmar lineup. Well, first of all, in some senses this got maybe less changes than some other things, but in one very real sense, it got more changes than anything else. First of all of the Canyon Star floor plans that were available last year are gone. They're dead, they don't exist, you cannot order them any longer. They are now 3 and 3 only floor plans, and they're all 3 toy haulers. So Canyon Star is all toy hauler. The 3947, which is what we're looking at here, this is closest to what we had last year in the 3927. The biggest difference is they put a longer slide in, more of a full wall slide, and that opened up that bedroom just a little bit more. It still has a 10-foot garage on it, so that remains pretty close to what it was before. The 3937 that you see right here, okay, this floor plan is, 3737. This is a 37-foot coach, obviously, and they got that 2 feet out of the garage. Very similar to the 3947, except it is an 8-foot garage instead of a 10-foot garage. And then lastly, the 3957. Okay, now this one, back to 39 feet, but with an 8-foot garage with that 2 feet taken out of the bedroom, it allowed them to put a king-size bed in the bedroom. So without further ado, I'm going to try to get to all 3 of these in one video. Here's a 3947. Newmar was kind enough to bring all 3 floor plans with them. Okay, walking in. Booth dinette behind the driver's seat. A lot of this did not change much in this regard. Still have the big monitors you see here. This is the front engine diesel, of course, still on the Freightliner chassis with air brakes and rear air suspension. TV up in the overhead. Standing at the front, looking towards the back. All right, we'll work our way back here. Double bowl sink, 30-inch convection microwave, induction cooktop. Unlimited hot water on this coach is standard this year, so it has the Trumago system in it. All right. Here's our bathroom and shower. All right, we come back in the bedroom. So this is our queen-size bed. Much more room here. This was tight here last year for sure. So much more room at the foot of the bed. We have our step down into the garage. This is our 10-foot garage. So these are still the full-size Happy Jack beds. This makes into 2 queen-size bunk beds if you want, or the booths that face each other. You can do your own HVAC out here. We have our carpet down out here. Separate entry door, all that good stuff. In fact, we're going to use the entry door for an exit door. Look what happens on the ones with the 8-foot garage. We have a rear patio. Now, that's never been offered on the toy hauler before. The ramp door on our toy haulers typically has that contour to it to make it easier to get low-slung motorcycles into, like the big Harleys and stuff like that. They've done away with that on the 2 8-foot garage models. And we have this patio, so we're going to walk right up here. Still have the Happy Jack bed system, but these are more like twin beds. Okay, 8-foot by 8-foot garage. Still have a separate entry door over there. And let's go look at this one from the inside. Do a wide angle view here, as wide as I can. It's a beautiful paint job. Okay. All right, up front we're really the same. So I'm not going to waste a bunch of time here on that. This particular one has the queen size bed. So this is our 37-footer. So 3737. All right, we're not done yet. Toy haulers galore. Sorry, I gotta watch my stuff coming out of here. As much fun as it would be to face plant on a video for all you people, that's not going to happen, I hope. All right, so same patio that we were just looking at. on the 37 footer, except this is the 39 footer. All right. Again, different colors and stuff up front, but the front end is mostly the same. They did swap the sofa and got the dinette over on the door side, which that's a pretty good setup. For the most part, a very similar floor plan though, except right here. I've had people begging me for that for years, a toy hauler with a king size bed. All right, now the 8-foot garage, it's not going to be good for you guys with the full-blown Harleys and stuff. It just really won't fit in there. But a lot of times people just take a golf cart, or they take their grills, or they really just want it to act like a 2-bedroom coach, or they take their dogs, that type of thing. And these 8-foot garage models, that's what that was kind of built for. So I hope that helps. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to go to the front here and get a shot from the front backwards. There we are. All right, I think that about covers it. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.